All right, so what we're doing here is we're changing the white background to a different color. So I'm thinking pink on this one because this one looks like more of a pink, but I'm gonna show you how to change it to any color you want. So it's real quick class. So first thing you always want to do is you want to duplicate your background duplicate it. I always do that. So next thing we want to do is select the subject. So if you have the newer version of Photoshop, all you have to do is hit subject select right there. Boom. It selects your subject for you, and then all you do is go down here at the bottom right of your screen, this half circle, you hit solid color. Boom, it makes her black, so that means she's all selected. If anything is out, you can always fix that when you're cleaning it up. So now I'm already in the red, so I'm gonna make it pink. All right, so we hit OK, it's pink. So now we're gonna go over here to your layer mask. You're gonna hit Command I, that flips it. All right, so now background is a different color, but we want it to look realistic. Right now it just looks like solid color. So you want to go to blending mode right here, multiply. So as soon as you hit multiply, you see it looks real, but it might be too rich of a color for you. So if it's too rich of a color, too much saturation, you want to go to occupancy right here, and you can just move it up and down so you like it. I think I like it around right about here. Actually, looks pretty good. So boom, new color backdrop, and you can make it any color. So say you want to change it to a different color, all you do is click on the actual color there, and they'll give you a color palette, and you can make it any color you want. This color even looks good, so you can do any color you want. It's pretty much up to you and your creativity. If you did need to clean anything up, you can always go back in and clean it up. So say I want it to be here, you can always zoom in, clean anything up you need to clean up, like maybe these fingernails. You go to your layer mask, take your paintbrush, you flip it to white. Right, bring it down to a small, come on, boom. See, I'm coloring on, so if you need to color on, you flip it black to black, you can color off. So you clean these fingernails up, boom. Get nice and clean, nice and clean, nice and clean. Then you see it missed the spot right there, so you have to just flip it to white, and then you color right in between there. And then you can go around the whole image and do that, clean it up nice and perfect, and you have a different color backdrop. So that's how you do it. That's how you change your white backdrop to any color that you want. All right, any color. So even cream. So you wanted a cream backdrop. Cream is in the orange. Boom, that looks amazing. Looks like you had a cream backdrop. So need a different color? This is how you do it. I want to thank you for coming to this tutorial. I'll have more videos from in the studio, more videos from on Photoshop, more videos about business right here on this channel, YISM Studios. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.